Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. First of all, you just need to open your phone settings and then scroll down and you can find the option focus. Select it. Then select plus icon and then select custom. Then there have an option to give your name. So I just give my name and then there have an option to change color as well as there have an option for symbol. Change it. After that select next. Then select customize focus and then go back and just tap over this focus option. Then select your name. After that, if you just lock your phone, then just tap it and here you can see here is showing your name. So in this way you can very easily add your name on your iPhone lock screen. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.